friquitona. Por eso friki, 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 friquitona. Dale friquitona. Por eso friki, 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 friquitona. Dale friquitona. Por eso friki, 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 friquitona. Dale friquitona. Por eso friki, 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 friquitona. Friquitona. Oye, chiquilla, me estás tentando y yo te ataco a la milla. Yo quiero ver si en verdad tienes babilla y que en la cama tú haces maravillas.
Es necesidad, no se chuta cuando viene la vida. Tú la pongo a doblar rodillas, de la actividad. Te doy esta actividad, me gusta lento, también a la milla.
Yo, what's good? We're here at Point Blank, Los Angeles. My name is Jordan, and this is Student Spotlight. Today, I'm joined by the pride of Celaya, Mexico, Nico, and Esteban Vera. What's up, guys? How are we doing today?
What's up, Jordan? We're doing really good, actually. I feel really good to be here. And yeah, let's start this conversation.
Let's go. So, you guys are twins, also known as the DJ duo of GORDOS. Would you care to give us a little background about yourselves?
Yeah, of course. Everything started when we were little. We were kids, and our parents, our family called us gordos because we were like really fat little kids. It stuck with us, that name. And over the years, when we decided to do music, we were thinking like, what could be a good name? Man, let's just go to the name that everyone in our family and friends know us. Like it's Gordo. So that's how Gordo started, and we started making music in 2015. And yeah, we're here now, 2023, and we're really happy to be here in Point Blank.
We're happy to have you here. Real quick, what did Gordos mean again?
So Gordos means literally like fatties.
Because y'all make those fat beats, right?
Yeah, of course, man. You know.
Well, anyway, so going back from where you guys started, how did you guys like get into DJing back home in Mexico, and sort of like what was the process like, and how did you guys end up getting here?
So as Nico said, we started 2015. We were little kids watching all these YouTube videos, DJs like Hardwell, Martin Garrix in the Tomorrowland after movies or whatever, and we wanted to be those guys. And over the years, we started to look for the easiest ways to learn. Watching videos of how to produce, how to mix, and it started to become real and more realistic. Everything in 2018. We released our first song. That's when Gordos was born, and over the years we've been releasing music, and people, they like it, so we're gonna keep with it.
So, as you started to hone your craft as DJs, starting to like make your own sets and things like that, who are some artists and other DJs that you guys kind of look up to or inspire your guys' sound and your style?
We started to like this whole stuff of DJing because we were watching Tomorrowland and stuff. So Dimitri Vegas and like Mike were like a really big inspiration for us when we were little. We wanted to make EDM. Now it's different. We make a different genre. At the end of the day, is electronic music, and yeah, those were like the biggest inspirations to enter to this world of music.
So there have been some pretty iconic brother DJ duos out there, as I'm sure you guys know, but you guys are my favorite, and I'm not being biased. You guys are my favorite. What are some aspects of Gordos that you guys would say sets you apart from others?
I don't want to sound cheesy, but honestly, I feel about Gordos, I feel like we were, sometimes I feel this, like we were, like blessed or gifted for being twin brothers. This type of connection, I feel like it's different, and that set us apart from any other duos. I know there has been like another twin DJs, Nervo. There are some great DJs in Mexico. They are called Le Twins. But Gordos, it's a different vibe. I know we have a different energy to give to the people, and that's because we are very mind connected and body connected. We literally have been through everything, not a lot, through everything together. So that on the stage, that looks different and it feels different.
Yeah, I think that's definitely something you'll notice when you see Gordos live is the kind of like brother bond that you guys have. You kind of like know each other's like moves, and
Exactly.
you kind of have a system figured out. So you've taken a lot of classes. Would you mind just like breaking down maybe some of your favorite classes, and sort of what you hope to accomplish after taking those classes when you leave Point Blank, LA?
So the course is music production and DJ. One of my favorite classes is, of course, production. I have to say, mixing with Tom Sweats and Clank. It's an amazing class. I'm taking it right now, and I'm enjoying a lot this class. I'm having fun, and I'm learning a lot. I'm forgetting about one that I like a lot: sound design. I really love that class with Dave. It's an amazing class. It takes you like to a different part of the music, so you just focus in making sounds. I don't know. It was really fun to have that class.
What would you guys say has been your biggest challenge, whether it's been in classes here at Point Blank or just the biggest challenge you guys have faced being DJs and, trying to get your name out there and get your music out there?
We're from Mexico, and the first 3 months were like here in LA were like really hard for us because of the language. Like we knew how to speak in English, we understand everything, but we were like really shy. So that was a really big challenge to like trying to learn music, trying to focus on how to speak and how to do things. So that was a pretty big challenge for us. Now we control it. It was a year ago, so yeah, we've learned a lot, and it was a challenge.
I feel like one challenge for us here was to get gigs, you know.
It's always the biggest challenge.
Yeah, it still is a challenge here, you know, but ninth month here, Sergio talked to us about playing in stations, so that's how Point Blank has helped in that part, you know, like it's really hard to get to go knock to the doors without anyone knowing you here. You know, in Mexico, okay, yeah, people can know our names by someone or by us or whatever, but here it's a new place. We're starting from zero, basically. So yeah, that's how Point Blank has helped us here. You know.
All right. So, Gordos, what's in the pipeline? Music, any new music coming out? What do we got cooking up?
We have a surprise for November. I'm just gonna say that. I can say much, but yeah, we have new music coming this year. Next year is gonna be full of music. Like I can say, I'm not going to make promises, but but it's coming a lot of new music, a lot of new genres. We're experimenting a lot. I hope you guys are ready for what's coming to Gordos, for Gordos, from Gordos.
We've reached the end here, unfortunately, but I got to give you guys, you made it through. I got to give you guys, the floor.
Okay, socials, Gordos, punto, official, double F for the ones who don't know how to say it or how to spell it.
Gordos on Spotify, Gordos on Apple Music, Instagram said it, but you said punto, so I'm gonna say gordos.official.
It's been a pleasure, and I hope to see you guys here again very soon.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, this has been Student Spotlight from here at Point Blank, Los Angeles. Make sure you check us out on the interwebs, the socials at Point Blank Music School, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that like button just like as hard as you possibly can, and please share this video. We want to get Gordos worldwide. No, we want to go galaxy-wide with you guys. We're going to
Wide.
potentially
That's right, baby.
the first DJ duo to perform on the moon.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's in the
that sounds
cards.
good.
All right.
Yeah. All right, guys. See you later.
Word. Peace.